Hey y'all, it's me and candles from the Forever Mood Jackie Aina Candle Club. And if you are interested in knowing what candles came in the Candle Club, how much does the Candle Club membership cost, what was the free item that we received, and how do I like the candles? Please stay tuned. Before I open this box and share with you these great candles from Jackie Aina's Candle Club, let me just read to you what her website says regarding to being a member of the Candle Club. So according to the Forever Mood website, being a member of the Candle Club allows you to have luxury self-care packages sent straight to your door. And what happens is every 3 months you will receive a package like this in the mail. I guess this is the size it's going to be. This is the first package, so I don't know if all of them will be this size, but according to her website, you will get 2 exclusive candles that are not on her website, in addition to 1 or 2 free gifts. And I think I already know what the free gift is already in this package, but you know, we're just going to go ahead and go with it and make it seem like we don't know what the free gift is going to be. Also on her website, it says that you can sit back, relax, and light up your new candles, of course, because some of us do not partake in those types of things. But if you do, you know, that is your business. Just know that that is not what Jackie Aina is referring to when she says go ahead and light up. And speaking of light up, I have some of her candles lit behind me right now. That one is the champagne wasted candle. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. I think these candles came out for Valentine's Day, and she actually had a sale for Mother's Day. Of course, I love when you have a sale and you also get a coupon code. So that's when I decided to go ahead and purchase these candles, and I will certainly be doing a review on those candles as well. Also, according to her website, the Forever Mood Candle Club right now is sold out. There was only a limited number of people that could join, but hopefully in the future, she will go ahead and allow more customers join the Candle Club. Subscriptions are delivered once every 3 months. They will contain 2 exclusive candles and a surprise gift. You can always edit your subscriptions if you would like. You can edit your shipping information as well. Right now, she's not offering any international shipping, only United States shipping. And you will be charged every 3 months. Afterpay is not permitted when doing this. I tried to do Afterpay. I absolutely love Afterpay. Whoever created Afterpay, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so now I finally get to open this box. I am so excited. Let's see what's in the box. Got some scissors. United States Postal Service is who are sending these boxes. Can't believe I actually waited to open this in front of you all. Okay, first thing besides this paper that you get in the box is this beautiful card of her. She's just so pretty. Jackie Aina is just gorgeous. And on the back it says, it's a forever thing. Welcome to the Forever Candle Club crew. You're officially VIP status. You'll have access to exclusive scents and other surprise gems here and there too. This season's Candle Club exclusive scents are White Candle and Black Candle. Interesting names. Unlike Champagne Wasted and some of the other names she names her candles, she just named these White Candle and Black Candle. The White Candle top is bergamot, rosebuds, gardenia. Mid is orange flower, iris, and violet. Base is white cedar and rose blossom. The Black Candle top is pistachio, thyme, pepper. Mid is jasmine and coconut. Base is vanilla, musk, and ginseng root. Okay. Oh, and look, this is so good. Obviously this one's the white one, right? And this one is the black one. Pretty good, pretty good. Not the fancy smancy packaging that you normally get from Jackie Aina's candles. Okay, packaged very well so these don't break. Whew. Oh, they do have names on them. Can't be duped. I'm so sorry that my ring light is not allowing me to show the actual name, but it's Can't Be Duped. And it smells good. Kind of smells like hair grease a little bit. Hair care products, maybe Ultra Sheen. I don't even know if they sell Ultra Sheen anymore. Again, on the card, the white one is bergamot, rosebuds, gardenia, orange flower, iris, violet, white cedar, and rose blossom. So maybe that's why it reminds me of maybe hair care products, because typically, oh yeah, bergamot grease. Oh my gosh, that's right. I remember that grease. I am really saying my age because I remember bergamot grease. Wow, that's what I'm smelling. Smells good, brings back a lot of good memories. Let's look at the black candle. Again, packaged very well, but not in the typical signature boxes that Jackie Aina usually has. Oh, and this one's also called Can't Be Duped. But I was thinking that they would have similar names like her other candles. And something I just noticed, she actually has the date at the bottom, which is very interesting. 1 of 2000, April 2021 at the bottom. Very good. Let's see what this smells like. I don't like this at all. This is more of a masculine scent, and it's not that I don't like masculine scents. I think this would be perfect, maybe my son or my future son-in-law. Let me read again what the card says. This one is pistachio, thyme, pepper, jasmine, coconut, vanilla, musk, ginseng. So probably the masculine scent is musk that I'm smelling. So yeah, these are very interesting. You know, I don't know what to say about this. This is my favorite line by far. The one here, the one that she had out for Valentine's Day. That one is my absolute favorite line. So, I don't know. Sorry that I'm starting to pop these. Like, I automatically pop these. Some of these are already popped. Oh, the free gift is what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be bigger though. These are matches, and I guess some of her PR people received these matchbooks, and I don't know. That's what she decided to put in for this as the free gift. You know, it's matches, and it's a glittery box. I don't know. I guess I was thinking that the box was going to actually, you would be able to feel the glitter. There's actually something on top of this so that, I don't know, maybe the glitter doesn't come out or something. This is cute, but this isn't what I thought it was going to be. And it doesn't even say Jackie's name on it. So no one would even know that this came from Jackie Aina. But that's just me. You know, I'm all about presentation and packaging and of course branding. And this is very pretty, but it doesn't give me that oomph that I'm used to seeing from Jackie Aina. Also, these boxes, I paid $75 for this, and I paid $100, and I got 4 candles, and look at these beautiful boxes that I got. So I'm not that happy about that, but I will do a second video after. I don't know, should I light these? Should I collect these since she has the dates on the bottom? I don't know. I don't know if I should let these be collectors. I don't know. But this is the packaging and it's very, very pretty. And you have the Forever Mood on the top. On her other candles, she has another sticker on the back, and these don't. So I just want to show you a comparison between the new candles that is in the Candle Club. You see how these jars are white and black? Well, here's the candles from the Christmas edition. This is the gingerbread trap house candle that was broken. And here is Naughty Nice. So what I think happened is maybe they just had a bunch of these candles left over and they got some new labels and just slapped them on these and sent them to us. Again, I'm hoping that the next edition of candles are better than these, but if they really did just have some leftover candles from Christmas and decided to just slap on a label, that's not going to cut it. That's not making this be something special, in my opinion. And I also want to show you one more thing. Look at this label. Look at how it looks really nice on the candle. And this isn't even like a real sticker. It's almost like, I don't even know how to describe this type of a sticker, but it's not like a big giant square like this. See how this is a big square sticker? Nothing on the back, but these have this type of a sticker and this beautiful sticker here with this cute little heart right there too. It's just so cute. I just think that for what we paid for these candles to be in the club, it's gonna have to be better next time around. It really is. It's gonna have to be better. And the free gift needs to be better than a box of matches. Boxing of these candles that I got from the Candle Club from Forever Mood. And, you know, will I stay a member? Yes, I'm gonna stay a member. But hopefully the next set of candles give me a little more oomph to it, because these really didn't. These didn't give me what I'm used to having from Jackie Aina. You can't send me candles like this in the background and then send me some candles like this. I mean, this is just not giving me that wow factor that I was thinking about. And again, I think it's much more about the packaging. If the packaging was a little bit better, I would probably be a little bit happier, especially since the price is the same price as these other candles. That's just me. That's just my thoughts. You know, I waited this long to open these and I'm just not impressed, to be honest with you. But you know what? Let's have a conversation down below. What do you think about this new Candle Club from Forever Mood? Are you excited? Do you plan on becoming a member? Are you already a member? What do you think about these two candles? Should I burn these candles? Should I save them as collectors? I don't know. I think I was just expecting more. And, you know, we'll see what happens. This is only the first box. But for $75, come on now. Let's have a conversation down below. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.